Every swirl tells a story, and this one begins with butter. Rolled with cinnamon, sweetened with sugar, baked to golden perfection. They rise slow, but they conquer fast. Soft, gooey, irresistible. This isn't just breakfast, it's fate. Cinnamon rolls, the sweet awakening. Coming to a plate near you.
To start out, you're going to need 580 grams of all-purpose flour, 107 grams of granulated sugar, 6 grams of sea salt, 84 grams of unsalted butter softened, 1 cup of warm milk, 7 grams of instant yeast, 2 large eggs, and 1 large egg yolk. I started out by adding all the dry ingredients together, and then I added the yeast to the milk and let it sit for a little bit. While the stand mixer is going at a medium speed, I added the egg yolks, butter, and warm milk with yeast. Here I'm just rolling it out, trying to get it into a ball and making sure it's smooth, not too tacky. Just use a little bit more bench flour. Then I'm going to put it back in the bowl and cover it until it doubles in size. You put it in a warm spot, like in your oven with the light on, and it'll definitely help speed up the process. For the filling, light brown sugar, I used 225 grams, and then I used 17 grams of ground cinnamon. I have another stick of butter softening in the background. Here I'm just rolling it into a rectangle and probably around 2 feet, 24 inches wide. That's the goal. Now I'm just spreading the softened butter all over the inside. And then I'm going to put that whole bowl of the cinnamon brown sugar mixture. We're going to roll it up into a log. The beginning is kind of important. You just want to get it really tight and just roll it, keeping it snug. I didn't do it here, but you should definitely just close the seam, pinch the dough together. It makes it a lot easier to cut. And then I'm putting it in a 9x13 baking tray. Let it sit and rise, and then back into the oven at 350 degrees. For the glaze, I used 115 grams of cream cheese, and powdered sugar was 90 grams. And the milk, I just keep adding it until I want to get that consistency and then I just start in some vanilla bean paste, which is way better than extract. The butter will get absorbed, and then you have like crystalled bottom brown sugar that's delicious. And then I just covered everything with that cream cheese glaze. Tried to go for more of a natural voiceover. Let me know if you like this better in the comments, please. And if you like the videos and you want more, subscribe.